up. It's like 8 in the morning. I have a photo shoot today. I have to get my hair done at 8:30. I get my makeup done at 11 o'clock. And then I get my photo shoot at 2. So I'm going to take you with me. So this is the before. I look crazy as shit. I'm getting a lace frontal wig put in. I will list everything and all the people in the description box below if you're from Milwaukee. My nails I got done by Kim at inails. My hair is being done by Payne. He works at Making Changes Salon. My wig is from Tanisha at Glamour Boutique. My makeup is being done by Brooklyn MUA. My photo shoot is being done by Drewski. And I will put all of their social medias and their work inserted in this video. All right, so I gotta get to going. I still gotta grab gas sometime today. In between all of this, I have a pretty little things outfit that I'm wearing for my shoot. It's like this pajama set with bottom and top, and then I have a rose gold balloon, a cupcake, and I got this bag right here. And this is basically me just celebrating myself for accomplishing 3 years as a full-time lash artist, and 3 years as a lash tech. And then this year I went full-time, so I don't have any other job. I'm just fully a lash tech. And so I'm super fucking proud of myself. I'm a first generation entrepreneur, and yeah, so I'm gonna get started. This is my makeup. I still need to get my hair styled, but it's so fucking pretty.
I'm Brooke. I'm a Milwaukee makeup artist. You can find me on Instagram and Facebook at @BrooklynMUA.
Period. Thank you so much. She did such a good job. Book with her. Oh my gosh, she did such a good job. And look at paint on the hair. And it's not even fucking finished yet. I can't wait. What? I'm a bad bitch. Yeah. I can't wait. Okay, I'll check back in with y'all at the salon. I'll see y'all in a minute, and then at the shoot.
From Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. Shawty came from Mexico, she know she got the sweet stuff. I put some ice on her hand, I let her take it in. I put some ice on her hand, I let her take it in. I put some ice on her hand, I let her take it in. I put some ice on her hand, I let her take it in. I put some ice on her hand, I let her take it in. I put some ice on her hand. Yo, she knows.
Taco Tuesday, I got the cheese, she tasting the Kool-Aid. We go to the club with a soupe, she gon' do what the groups like a Brinde. Caliente, she get the bad, but she gotta get it 10 ways. Okay, now, what the money make, elevate. Sinead, like she on the runway. With the payday, when she get the comfy. I'ma see the one tequila in the Bombay. Got speed in the corner, sack a one way. Smoke, murder, bust, take off a skirt. Put in work, put your name on the skirt. Need diamond, get the working like the flirt. This hate, put your face on the shirt. Haven't lived a different way since birth. My name Jose. It's a long line at the doorway. Serving taco, getting with the nacho. Fucking with a bad vibe, but she go both ways. Turn up the rack for show days. I never ever see a bro day. Looking to the eyes of the go face.
Yes! Oh my fucking god, laid! Laid!
Coming out your motherfucking scalp.
Literally.
Off the scalp.
Oh my gosh. So fucking good. Oh. So good. Oh my god. Oh. So good. Okay, can you just say your name and what you do and your socials and where to book you?
My name is Payne. You can follow me on Instagram, Painfully Fly, just like that. P-A-Y-N-E, not P-A-I-N.
Okay.
All right.
Book him. Book him. The best. The best.
Yes.
And I'm gonna put all of his website information in the description box down below. So make sure you click it. Period. Thank you so much. I love it. Oh my god.
Gang in the brand, it's a four-way. Taco Tuesday, I got the cheese, she tasting the Kool-Aid. We go to the club with a soupe, she gon' do what the groups like a Brinde. Caliente, she get the bad, but she gotta get it 10 ways. Okay, now, what the money make, elevate.
Say your name.
My name is Drew. Super Dope Photographer. You can find me on all social media platforms at drewzkieexposure. Yeah.
I will put all his info in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. This is his studio. Super good. It's lit.
𝒃𝑜𝓃𝓉,